CBC. Jael?
Yeah, interesting conversation happening right there. But then also we still have the university students here in this studio. And they're also weighing in on this conversation, just getting to know their thoughts as much as they are university students. But some of them are on the fading out of this education system. What are your thoughts about the reforms that have been recommended by the working group? I'll start off with you.
Thank you so much, Jael. I think the recommendations that have been given by this task force, so many of them, I don't think the people are consulted. But then again, they can't all be wrong, because I feel some of them they are the right recommendations. Because when Professor Munavu and his team are recommending that we have one permanent council to be checking education all through, so that every president who comes doesn't, again, come in with another commission. For example, you remember that we had the Fatuma Chege Commission, and the reports on all those commissions are piling up dust probably in some shelf somewhere. So it's important that we have that one permanent council. Secondly, probably as I wind up, Jael, I would say that instead of introducing a mandatory kind of forced NYS training, I would feel that, because normally that happens in countries that are normally at war. So in our country, we are very peaceful, unless probably we want to go up against Somalia and other.
No, you're talking about the community service now.
Yes. I feel that instead of probably getting us into that, we could substitute it with Enterpreneurship Program, because where we are going, we need more of people who can actually go out there. And instead of probably getting a job, waiting for the government to provide for them employment, then they can start something of their own. So I feel that Enterpreneurship Program would be way better than us going the NYS.
The NYS way.
Yeah.
And on that one, looking at the preparation, CBC preparing students for the next phase.